It's Simon here, hope you're good. We are going to learn how to play 1,000 Miles Away by Hoodoo Gurus today. We're going to do it on an acoustic guitar because we can. See you in a second. Alright, thanks so much for tuning in, I do appreciate it. Before we kick off the lesson, please don't forget to click that subscribe button. It means you never miss a lesson here on the channel. Now, we have got a capo at the 2nd fret. I was just teaching this just now, so hey Caitlin, how you going? Thought I'd do this video for you so that you don't lose your place. And everybody else, say thanks to Caitlin. We've got a G. We're going to play, I generally play backwards G. Because I can, backwards G. Nobody else calls it that apart from me. I mean, as opposed to that way around, I can play that way around because you can do cool things with your first finger. Right? So, we're just going to play 2 bars of G. Now on the record here we've got a sort of paddy synthesizer-y sort of thing. So, and then we get a C. 2 bars of that as well. 1. Right? Easy peasy. Right, then we hit the bridge, we've got a D. E minor, A minor, D, E minor, A minor, back to G, right? So that whole bridge section was D, E minor, A minor, D, E minor, A minor. So the strumming I'm doing here is just like this pretty light sort of thing. Oh, the cat has come in. Just 2 seconds to let the cat in. There you go, cat face. Cat Dorman. Guitar teacher / Cat Dorman. So what we're doing there, the strumming pattern is G, C. Strumming is basically down, down, up, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. Up, down, up, down, up. So it's like up, up, down, up 3 times in a row after I've done the initial intro. So down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. But you don't have to do that. You can do anything you like as long as it fits in the bar. So you've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So there I'm just going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. D, E minor, A minor, D, E minor, A minor, G. Now, what you can do here, C, 1 and 2, because that mimics what the guitar does, eh? Or something like that on the electric guitar. Don't know exactly, but does the trick for me. Don't know about you. And then back you are into the verse. It's a bit busier, you know, because there's a whole band in by now. Not quite so, you know. Bridge, E minor, A minor, D, E minor. There you go. So, if you like that, and you like these sorts of lessons, please do subscribe. Go and tell a guitar playing friend about this channel. I've been doing it for a little while now. I think I'm getting the hang of teaching. Hopefully I am. And please leave a comment. If you have a comment, I'd love to hear from you. And if you're able to support the channel, you can do that at patreon.com/Simon Morell. There you get access to over 3,000 charts, a whole bunch of exclusive lessons, and other stuffs besides, if that made sense. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. All the best.
Thanks for watching.